Hi, this is an overview of OpenSolar's newest partner, the Commonstead. We're so excited to welcome the Commonstead to the Open Solar platform, along with all of their products and services that will now be available for design and purchase for the entire Open Solar community. You can access this now in our shop section of the marketplace by clicking on the Commonstead to view all of their different products that you can purchase straight from them within Open Solar. To go ahead and build your projects and designs with the Commonstead products, go ahead and head to the homepage and enter a project address to get started. Now, this is a smart search, so as you go ahead and enter that address, it will pull up the property here for you, and you'll go ahead and hit Create Project to get started. That's going to bring you to our Project Manage page where you can manage all the customer contact information and all the information for your project itself. You'll see down here under the shop section the ability to connect with our suppliers like Sunergy Solar Distribution and the Commonstead, and that will take you right to the shop tab to go ahead and access the catalog. When you're ready to go ahead and build your design, you'll go ahead and enter that customer contact information, come over to the Energy tab here, and this is where you can enter all that utility and bill information. Once you've got that utility usage information and you've got the utility company and rate plan selected, you'll move over to the design tab. And in the design tab is where you'll build your solar designs. If you want to check out some great tutorials on how to build designs and proposals on Open Solar, check out the Open Solar Help Center. We've got a lot of great videos and resources for you. When you open up your design tool, you can select the imagery and the mode you want to use. Our 3D mode is the most accurate version of Open Solar because it will automatically calculate your shading, your pitch, and your azimuth, and will give you all the data you need flawlessly and seamlessly. You've also got the auto design element of Open Solar called Ada. So if you want to go ahead and use Ada, she can automatically design full system designs based on the parameters you set instantly with the click of a button. Once you've got your design built, you can choose the equipment you want to use. You can select your modules, your racking, you can auto size and auto string your inverters, and you can even select the batteries you want to use and how you want them to work for the homeowner or the business owner. Once you've got all of that completed, you can go ahead and enter the other section, and this is where you can browse all of the products for the Commonstead. They have a lot of great products here to help you realize more savings and more efficiency for your home or business owner that you're selling to by allowing you to add these products alongside the solar and storage units. You can see all of your stock and inventory and pricing, and then you can select the Commonstead to add any of their products right to your open solar design and proposal. That's going to build a bill of materials live here for you so you can see all of your live pricing and inventory from our suppliers for the products that you're going to sell and propose here. And here's a look at all the Commonstead products that are a part of this project and design. You'll see the pricing here live and the available inventory, and you can go ahead and save this design and enter the payment section next to go ahead and select the payment options for this customer. In the payment section here, you're going to go ahead and select your cash option or your loans, leases, or PPAs right here. You can access all of our integrated partners from the control zone, and you can compare and contrast all your payment options from right here in the tool. Once you've got your options loaded, you can go ahead and preview the proposal and see what this will look like for the homeowner or the business owner. You'll see all the system designs. You can do solar only or solar and storage, and you can see how the cost and the savings adjust over time, along with the image of the design itself. You can access your financing options here and you can toggle between them to go ahead and update your information live in the proposal. When you're ready to go, you can send this proposal out to your customer here a number of different ways, and then they can go ahead and open this and access all of the information along with the payment options. They can even go ahead and sign the agreement here, or they can run credit or access loan documents for any of the finance partners. Now, in every design, you're going to have a breakdown of the equipment solution, and you'll have in here all the common set products, along with a nice video, tech brief, and warranty information for every product here. And you'll even have spec sheets for each product that you can download or include in your proposal. This is a great way to educate your homeowner on all the extra benefits you get from adding and selling the common set on Open Solar. And below this, you'll have all kinds of great information on the system performance, as well as the financials, which you can display and walk through to your customer, including monthly payments if you're looking at a loan versus a cash option in your account. You'll even see the payback year and month and overview of the system purchase price and any of the payment milestones if they're doing cash or finance information here for a finance partner. You can even go ahead and collect your payments and deposits with our cash flow functionality. And you can even go ahead and send out reminders or invoices or track all of your payments and invoices from one centralized tool here right within Open Solar and within your proposal. Once you've sold the design and you're ready to go ahead and start installing, you can order all the equipment right through Open Solar from our multiple partners here, like Synergy or the Commonstead. You'll see a great bill of materials here for each system and project design, and you can go ahead and access all that information again, along with the availability and pricing. And you can proceed to checkout here to order from one partner or multiple right within the checkout flow. Once you've gone ahead and done that, you can order everything for this project, ship it to the right address or to your warehouse, and you can check out right here with all the additional information for your supplier partner like the Commonstead, and even go ahead and select your delivery and payment methods. Once you check this out, it will create a PO and order for you, and that will send it right to the job site or to your warehouse. Again, you can access all of the Commonstead's products right from the shop tab here in the marketplace. And just like you can check out project by project, you can check out individual items as well right from the shop tab in Open Solar. Again, we're so excited to welcome the Commonstead to our platform, and we're looking forward to our webinar with them to go ahead and talk more about what they do. But please check them out and stay in touch with them in our Expo tab right here on the Commonstead page, where you can check out everything happening with their social media and their company, as well as any of their up to date products. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day. Take care.